Hold on to your telescopes, folks, we've got big news from the world of astronomy. Remember K218b, that intriguing planet we found a few years back? Well, it just got a whole lot more interesting. The James Webb Space Telescope, our best eye in the sky, has detected something remarkable in its atmosphere. Two gases, dimethyl sulfide, DMS, and dimethyl disulfide, DMDS, have been found swirling around this distant world. Now what makes these gases so special? On Earth, they're primarily produced by, wait for it, microscopic life. That's right, we're talking about tiny organisms like the ones found in the ocean, releasing these gases as part of their life processes. Finding DMS and DMDS on another planet is like stumbling upon a cosmic message in a bottle, a message that whispers, life could be here. But hold your interstellar horses for a moment. Before we start planning our expedition to meet our new alien neighbors, it's important to remember that this is not a slam-dunk confirmation of extraterrestrial life, at least not yet. Science is all about careful observation and testing, and we need more data to be absolutely sure. So, what do we actually know about K218b? This isn't your average planet, that's for sure. It's a super-Earth, bigger than our own planet but smaller than a gas giant like Neptune. It orbits a red dwarf star, cooler and smaller than our Sun, about 124 light-years away from us. That may seem incredibly far, and it is, but on the cosmic scale, it's practically in our backyard. What's even more exciting is that K218b sits right in the habitable zone of its star, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This means that the planet's surface temperature could be just right for liquid water to exist, not too hot, not too cold. And where there's water, as we know it, there's a good chance for life as we know it. Scientists have even speculated that K218b could be a Hycean world. Imagine a planet covered in a vast deep ocean, with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere above. It might sound strange, but such a world could be surprisingly habitable for certain types of life. Now you might be wondering how we can detect the presence of gases on a planet that's trillions of miles away. The answer lies in the fascinating science of spectroscopy. It's like playing cosmic detective, using light as our magnifying glass. Here's how it works. When K218b passes in front of its host star, some of the starlight filters through the planet's atmosphere. Different molecules in the atmosphere absorb specific wavelengths of light, leaving behind a telltale fingerprint. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its powerful instruments, can analyze this filtered starlight and identify those fingerprints, revealing the chemical composition of the planet's atmosphere. And guess what? The fingerprints of DMS and DMDS showed up loud and clear. Not only that, but the concentration of these gases is thousands of times higher than in Earth's atmosphere. This makes it very difficult to explain their presence without some form of biological activity, at least based on what we currently understand about planetary chemistry. The detection of DMS and DMDS on K218b is a tantalizing clue in our search for life beyond Earth. It's the strongest evidence yet that we might not be alone in the vastness of the cosmos. But as scientists, we must remain cautious and continue to investigate all possibilities. The next step is to confirm these findings with further observations and rule out any potential non-biological explanations for these gases. Could there be geological processes on K218b that we don't yet understand? Processes that could produce these gases without the need for life? It's a possibility that we need to explore. The search for life beyond Earth is a thrilling adventure, full of twists, turns, and the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. The findings on K218b are a giant leap forward, reminding us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep your sense of wonder alive. The next big discovery might be just around the cosmic corner.